My husband a good man. Wait till can just change down overnight. No be this man you dey praise that day. You know how many testimony we dey do inside body say thank God though. You know give we nora. They don't understand themselves. Who did they tell us for years say that time no give be no understand what it be family. No, I don't understand. Since where you dey narrate this, you know get since I made they not see baby. Egbegi wo your man setting in maintain baby. Ye nora no key no give for us. No key no give. You are woman. No kill am. You know get to where my even where to right to. When I'm wezogie, now you go for everybody hand. But my city one near where obono work and be is I fear lele. Thank God you never shook. You never shook. You only make you talking for WhatsApp. You never penetrate. Have you penetrate? No. Have you touched pumping? No. Have you mwegbe? No. Have you no? You know that why do you want to kill the man? Why can't you egbe wabana? What do you want?
Faster.
Why can't you egbe wabana? Have you mwegbe? Have you riegwe so sewe? No. Nale, what's up? Writing. Lion of the tribe of Judah. My 40 years birthday. My 40 years birthday. You know, we will time my 37 years birthday. We can't have no giwa. Don't kill that man. Oh. Allow the children to enjoy their father. Oh, woman, my enjoy area. I become a father and a mother. My sister, these years that I become a father and a mother, it was excess load. Oh, forget Jama benefit. Jama benefit now lay account for the read. You know they read for school runs. You know they read for doctor appointment. You know they read for any other place. Now you go carry the stress low, my sister. No, they say you go feed do an eye. Now you go feed for do more. When it comes to the waka, you know go feed waka around. Oh, now that's my matiti they talk like this. The something vex me when I see egg. Tomorrow I don't want to see menstruation for you no get name. Oh. If not, me I go come out for you with Bible verse. Or mock panijem or mock be akpan do ya you know. Ye nora ugbe no get no say tomorrow now you go come fight me for your wife. That's where we get see me. Tomorrow now if you and your wife just settle now all of us we fight for you now you go fair beat. You know get damn well. Because if I just settle small, Enogie. You go say, now you can talk for me and my wife matter. Me and my wife, you carry the wife for head, they sell her like gala. The wife will not carry you for head, Enogie. I'ma carry away for head. We all they see. Anya, we open our eye. We they see what they happen. Iye nora who take time, who look here. No key, no give because of say paper. You are not God who give documents. Make I tell you, your documents if you don't go fit share them for Enogie. No be you won't sign documents for immigration. No be you. For Banff. No, Banff the grand person paper now. No be you. No be you. A document a document. Me, I don't see where on my passport now. Let's get German passport. Good evening, my lady. Or what they talk ba? Here me passport here in your mavejo. Ama we 3 years in here you know man get we pa ye wo Nigeria. We are what bag pa wa bana mok pa ni je wa mo mok be pa ne do ya yo. You when the mok be dey important dey do. Onions even if they do wrong, their mama go you soon get carry them for back. We are what they paper now cause here they document they when we lever. They when we munogi sesi. They wegi you ni anakai where now because of this one no get the Rio Jaba or Rude more. I'm not laying course. Why laying course? Baby shark. You are yet to know baby shark. No, unwe no a proper argument. Unwe no ya lodi. In tell what I'm about medium. Now then fair wrong come out, but God know the truth.
Voilà, moi Enogie, what did you go there?
We make good we now tear body. Una lay costing it will not stand. The book of Isaiah 7 verses 7 says, he said, for thus says the Lord, it will not stand, neither will it come to pass. Every curses you release upon your husband, as long as you have children with him, it will not stand, neither in any way will it come to pass. It will not stand. Your curse will not work. Your mind towards, if you have a bitter mind towards Enogie, anything that you do, it will not stand. Always as they love it cause, let it come inside their bone like oil. Or no love it bonati in the Bible tani. Always as they love it cause, as they love to cause, always let it come into their bone like oil. Or a book of Psalm 119. Yeah, you don't know we're making a show. Do you think about where you can imagine?
Oh, it didn't your power. Edokpagaro. Na Mama Nora.
Okay, Psalm 109. God bless you for bringing it. Psalm 109.
Edokpagaro. Now this Mama Nora and Baby Shark. Now they made me understand. Say man is entitled to marry 7 wives. Iya ever ke Bible. Isaiah 4. They go a Bible me even. Iya ever ke Bible ederio. Yeah, bana. Oh no.
Wana do ati Bible. Wana give me woman right.
Zaya na le o.
I thought you.
Imana na Zaya now they made me understand this verse that day. Now them, 2 of them, now they made me understand this verse. Chapter 4. Yes, chapter 4, verse 1. Where, and in that day, 7 women will take hold of one man. Now they made me understand. Saying,
and I will take hold now.
He said, and in that day, 7 women shall take hold of one man, saying, we will eat our own bread. Then Baby Shark can explain this place. Say, our own bread, me say, the man go their house, the 7 women go their work. Then she proceed and say, we will eat, okay, and wear our own appeal that they will buy their own clothes by themselves. Now they go they feed their husband. The 7 women. Now 2 of them.
You don't see what's up voice record.
Now 2 of them quote that day that the women will be working. The man go their house. On not level already. Not pa level already. Not pa. Opa kan toasty now. O Maria Gmotaya Gmodimio. Then she proceed, and he said, only let us be called by their name. And Baby Shark explain and say, now for we, the women we marry one man, we 7 we marry one man, now for we to just carry the man son name. Like Mrs. Nenemi, Mrs. Nenemi, Mrs.
Yes.
She explained it better to me that day. And she proceeds to take away our reproach. Make we not shame, make it take away our shame. Then we should take care of our husband. And the Bible high. Now she made me open this Bible. A verse in Allah Isaiah 4:1. Now my Bible wa. Now 2 of them I explain now. Now Enogie toast, Enogie not the agbonta for agbondimi. Una agbele egi yo.
Good evening.
Take your mouth. Excuse you, be.
Okay, I get what I want to. Nora, she have been doing this thing. And we women, we need to really talk to Mama Nora because too much of everything is bad. Too much of everything is bad. We need to really tell her because I can imagine some women will be say that they support her. I don't know Rezuna. I don't know where ona from come. Whether ona really did this planet. I don't know where ona from come. Me wa do she wo wa ya wo we ya so na the 20 sky woman. Mama Nora, one thing will be say you dey here. One thing will be say I come observe about you. I don't know send you come. You know go ever happen because that thing where you want from Enogie no go happen. You understand? One thing where you they always do. If Enogie once you see say Enogie don't they get respect from people don't they like Enogie. Even the haters don't they come close. People don't they respect her. You strike once. You go strike once, it go be like you go scatter everywhere. Wetin dey happen every
They say
day?
they
You keep doing that.
Sorry.
You go
Who they
strike
talk
once.
to?
You know, in
Na
this
way
thing.
I beg give us time. Saga this woman.
I beg my talk, mama, beg.
No, I bet why saga, you know.
Saga, no be saga, no be saga. No, just not the truth. I know they cause her. Mama, abi una no dey see am. Abi, I no understand. Abi na only me. Mama Nora, if she see say the husband don't dey get respect, people don't dey like her, she go strike once to bring Enogie down. Everything go back to zero. Mama,
No, Baba.
women, we need to talk. We dey cry. Women dey cry. No, because Mama Nora, I don't know whether this thing no dey pain you. I don't know whether it no dey pain you. Women they go through a lot. Women they go through a lot. I no see. Enogie no a person where they flirt. Forget. Enogie no be man where they flirt. If Enogie na man where they flirt, forget. That's a problem. You know I know now. Na character be that man.
Like that. So me will not.
They talk, they take the advice, and now she say they do again now. Honestly, no respect.
You're a very stupid woman.
I bet mama twins mute.
I don't know what thing they worry that woman.
I don't
Very
know
stupid
Reza.
person.
I don't know Reza. Because this thing is too much. Women need
Very
to really
stupid
speak
somebody.
up. We need
No
to really
get
stand for
sense.
Enogie. That girl, they send her up from the pit of hell. You understand?
If now your picking, Mama Laura, sure you will want make another woman they do this kind of thing to your picking when you push from outside.
Anything when you wish
Wow,
carry on because this one is too much. We not feel the look. We women not go feel the look again. It's not too much. We women not feel the look again. It's too much.
If they tell your husband, say, you know, whoever see documents, you know, whoever see documents, they bet your husband, they tell and say, no, whoever see documents.
Say if your husband wants to document now, when you don't come on, leave him. That
Can
is
imagine
the
that
plan
kind of
made man
thing.
leave you.
If now your picking, you go back your children, go help you carry them, go school, go help you do everything. You say you're not supposed to get documents. It now snake for your hand.
What's going on?
For how many
The
years?
truth is, she has every right to be angry for what her
People they
husband did,
look
but she
am.
went too
Wetin
far.
Wetin they angry for?
No.
Wetin they angry for? They circumcise the man for your hand.
Perfect. Make I explain.
Get out.
No, make I explain. Listen. No, make I explain.
Which right when she get to the angry?
No, wait. Now they are Mona,
Mona,
listen. Make I talk. See what I dey try explain.
Women no go dey look Mama Nora again. Don't too much.
Mona, let me talk now. May I talk? See what I use that tell me. See what I use that tell me, eh? Husband, the husband don't already make that mistake. He don't own up already. We most of us here we marry, we get husband. If our husband do something like this, we go vex, but we go lock up. But not be to the extent of coming to the public and start embarrassing him. Go on live video, start telling him his life history. It don't make sense. No secret for that, so nobody don't know.
No, no secret for the house na public day.
God will bless you, man. God will bless you, man. This woman.
Good evening.
Welcome.
As far as concerned, my Enogie never marry.
Thank you.
Because he just made mistake for him to marry this devil. This evil woman.
Not mistake.
He don't make mistake for his life. Enogie never marry.
If na Nigeria na dey, Mama Nora, I bet you
Una know why Enogie leave by not see man wey go marry again.
You don't get wetin wan do you, mama. You don't already dey at the top. They supposed to come learn from you how to be patient, not to dey back like dog up and down. Now you, this kind of woman, this mama, so you, the host, they supposed to come learn patience from you. how to be patient.
Talk about everything.
Upon waiting happen. Really. You know, see as you take calm down, follow the whole thing. Any small thing go, they come, they back up
and never cheat now. Other fine man,
Mama Nora, what you
I thought that for me, I go along.
Mama Nora, what you want here? Almost you
if you say that woman not be your wife, go collect your bread press. Go find your soulmate. That woman,
anybody you wish to know,
wait, me I send message to her. You see her? Wait. See, the prayer where you not fit pray for Enogie. Now we did this platform, they pray for her. So what makes you think that your cause will work? You are a shameless woman.
That work, you go better for Enogie. You go better for her.
Like Enogie. No woman for the both of two men.
Fire, fine, no fine. Where in yourself?
Now one house where you build for Nigeria, now you know your word. Come, may I teach you life. One house now you build. When you say you don't arrive. When you say you don't arrive, you don't talk to me.
Woman, where want me, your husband get paper, go take police for your husband. All the time, police.
You know, 50 by 100 where you
do. Jamie for how long? I'm having as a Jamie. Useless woman. Very useless girl.
You know the mama of approach. You know the needs. Only you black. You go wear black. You need to learn and irakasa. What is wrong with you? A black you wear a doctor. A white is solo level of
very dirty human being.
You they talk to me, okay, Enogie. Before you go talk to me, first and foremost, go and bath in the morning and dress yourself well.
That is it.
Exactly.
I know what important. No, just leave her. I'm important. I don't notice and say she did live video. No, I don't notice her. She too small. May I talk to you? Before you talk to me, I know see you like perfume well. And you they buy there be decoration for your room. You know they use them. You know they use your perfume. In the morning, brush your teeth, freshen up, bath, wear now shotgun without your nyash where you not get. Wear shotgun, dressed without your breast, find better bra. May they pack them for you well. You pack this both sides. After you don't pack them, you will sit down with your glass of tea. Then we cannot talk woman to woman. But at this stage now, you are frustrated. And honestly,
only the therapy.
I will go there. You are depressed. I should be your therapist. I should be the one treating you. I should be the one. Come and learn from me. You need patience. You need wisdom. Without those things, you will continue to fail.
Correct.
Nora, not be saying for mouth. You need patience. You need wisdom. If not be so, failure na your name. Single mother later na your room. Already you don't apply for single mother. And that single mother, you not go feed one. You know why? You are a lazy human being.
Yes.
You are a lazy person.
Yes.
You are a lazy person. It's written on not only social media you feed do. You not go feed do 4 hours. You know if you do 8 hours. Me, I don't chest time. I chest 8 hours. And even till tomorrow, I know they apply for 4 hours for work. I they chest 4 good hours with 5 children. You not go fit. You are a weak human being. You are a weak element. You are a weak woman. You are very weak. Honestly, you are very weak. Now only your mouth. Once you open the mouth, away. Oh yeah.
Mama Titi, Oga don come.
Where the airport the whole